Hey guys, this is Mitch doing a video for 11.1 question 13. In 11.1 we're working with parametric equations, which is basically an equation that can't be defined just as a function of x. Obviously, if you watched Dressler's video, everybody should know this. So question 13, we'll just get into it, is x equals t and y equals the square root of 1 minus t squared, and the parameters are from -1 to 0 t. So first thing we need to do is to get our Cartesian equation, and in this case it's really easy, and this is why we already have x equals t. So if x equals t, t equals x, we can just plug x in right there. So our function of x, our y equation, is y equals the square root of 1 minus x squared. Really easy. And when you graph 1 minus x squared, you get a graph that's a half circle from -1 to 1, like that. However, in this we only want to go from t equals -1 to t equals 0. So if we figure at -1, well, when t equals -1, x is going to equal -1, and y is going to equal the square root of 1 minus -1 squared, which equals the square root of 1 minus 1, which is 0. So our starting point is -1, -1, 0, which is right here. So start. That's where we're going to start, okay? And our end point is at t equals 0. Well, again, if t equals 0, x equals 0, and if t equals 0, y equals the square root of 1 minus 0 squared, which equals the square root of 1 equals 1. So our end point is at 0, 1, which is right here, which means the whole graph for this parametric equation with these parameters is just boop, that little guy right there. That's it. And this bit over here, although it's part of our Cartesian equation, is not defined by these parameters. So yeah, I think that's it for that question. Hope that's a little bit helpful. Thanks, you guys.